Alright guys, so I did a little investigating and guess what I found out? This is the 1-year anniversary of the Sketchbox challenge. We started this last March for the first time, and now here we are 1 year later. Sketchbox challenging it up. Alright, let's go. What's up fam, it's your boy DKG72, and yes, it is the 1-year anniversary of the Sketchbox challenge. And if you don't know what the Sketchbox challenge is, I have a subscription to a mystery art supply company called Sketchbox. They send these nicely packaged boxes out once every month, and here on the channel what I do is I unbox it, and the challenge is I have to create a work of art only using what's inside. What's inside this box? Have no idea, but it's going to be fun to find out. So, with this being a 1-year anniversary, we got to do something special. We got to do something special. Oh. Alright, so you know I've been working with the guys at Rasa Easel for the better part of 2 years now. I got a Rasa Easel coming to me, a nice new one. So what I'm going to do is, I got plenty of them. I'm working on them. I'm going to give this Rasa Easel away. All you have to do is you have to like and comment on this 1-year anniversary Sketchbox unboxing video. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's find out what's inside this box. Once I pull up my handy dandy tool, which I have upside down, but you didn't see that. All right, let's open this up and let's see what's inside. All right, what's inside this box? First off, Sketchbox, this wrapping paper that you've been sending the last few boxes, keep doing that. This is what makes it so much fun. All right, so first thing is we got a bunch of cool flyers. Let's see what's on here. Oh, okay. Ooh, we might really be in my wheelhouse with this one. Let me show you guys what's in here. First up is some Karandashi blenders. These are blender sticks, guys. So basically, you use this to blend your colored pencil into something beautiful. Ooh, Strathmore artist tiles. I like this already. All right, this is like a Bristol board artist tile. Ooh, Sketchbox, you knew I needed this. Check that out, guys. So this is basically a pencil sharpener, right? But it's the Greta color from Breveliers, I think that's how you say it, Breveliers. If I'm butchering your names, guys, it's not intentional. I'm just bad. So what else we got here? All right, so we got a nice little colored pencil set. Ooh, Sketchbox sticker. Put that over there. Ooh, chunky. So these are from Greta Color again, and these are Mega Color pencils right here, and this is from Erogen. This is a sort of russet brown color pencil. It's going to be interesting to use. They also gave us this is from Tombow. Oh, so these are the Tombow. Are these Tombow? These are Tombow color pencils right here. Okay, so this is going to be interesting. These are going to be interesting. English red. All right, what else we got? Oh man, nice little eraser and another Tombow color pencil. So that it? That's it. All right, guys. So as you can see, we got a nice. They're focusing on pencils and colored pencils this month. So we got a nice haul, got a nice little eraser. I can't wait to try this one out. It's a real stiff feeling, okay? Pencil sharpener, all kinds of colored pencils, and of course, they even provided the surface to draw on. So now let's get on to the second part of the challenge, which is obviously, I gotta draw something. So let me get ready, get set up for that, and hopefully I could pull off something really nice. Hopefully, I hope. We're gonna find out. All right, let's get to the drawing part. Oh, I can't reach. Alright guys, so that's the Sketchbox challenge for this month of March, the 1-year anniversary of the series. And I can actually say this was a pretty fun one. I really did like how this picture came out here. Focus, 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 focus. There we go, focus, focus. Alright, there you go. You focus. Alright, out of focus. There we go. Okay, so what do I think of the mini pencils that I received in this month's Sketchbox? Well, the general answer is they're good. These chameleon watercolor pencils are really good. They're just a standard watercolor pencil. Most watercolor pencils I judge on how waxy they are. The Prismacolors are really waxy. These color pencils, for instance, these chameleons are more akin to the Prismacolor Very Thin, so they're not very waxy, but that doesn't make it a bad color pencil. It's just you have to know this so that you know how to best apply the color pencil to get the best effect for it, because I know some people have used Very Thins or pencils like this and they have not had a good time. So these are not as waxy, so that basically what that means is that the lead that left on the page is not as pliable with a blender. And speaking of blenders, this blending pencil right here is the big winner. This is the big winner of the Sketchbox challenge, because this blending pencil actually solves a lot of issues that I have personally as a person that uses color pencils. And let me explain. When you're using color pencils, especially because they use Prismacolors, one of the reasons you use Prismacolors is because they're so easy to blend. All you need is a blending stump, which is a standard blending stump. Like, hold on. So normally I use a blending stump like this right here. Now here's the issue with the blending stump. While very effective, it tends to take on at the tip the color of whatever color pencil that you're using it. Because my normal trick, if you don't know, is I take a little bit of baby oil, I dip the blending stump in it, and then I use that to help blend the color pencil. This takes care of that problem because now I can blend as much as I want to and use this nice little pencil sharpener to sharpen off the tip to make sure that I don't bleed the wrong color into the wrong color. So this is a very, very useful instrument. In fact, I have a few ideas on what I'm going to use it for some artwork involving colored pencil. So I have some colored pencil works that I want to create, and I believe this bad boy right here is going to come in very handy. The big mega pencils are good. They're big and mega. The colors look nice, and these are more waxy. I noticed that right off the rip. If you notice, when I did her hair, the blending process became a whole different process. It's more akin to what I expect to happen when I use this pencil with my Prismacolor Premier color pencils. Pretty much all the other pencils, the Tombos are pretty cool. They're in kind of the same, not as waxy realm, so I wasn't expecting much. This is a good eraser, this mono, I guess is what you call it. It's a good strong eraser. It's a little rough, but using it with colored pencils, I can see is value already because it does get that line off of there. I didn't erase a lot with this, so I don't know how clean it'll get the board, but I think you can, if you do make a mistake, you can use this easily to correct your colored pencil line. And then the number two, what I would say would be the number two best out of this Sketchbox would be these Strathmore Bristol tiles, or whatever they call them. These tiles are pretty dope. It's just a nice toothy Bristol, and it's Strathmore. So what do you expect for Strathmore? Quality, duh. But all in all, a really dope, really cool Sketchbox challenge. Really enjoyed what Sketchbox has provided me. I just have stuff laying all over the place. I actually need to just go through one day and just recategorize everything and just kind of figure out where I'm gonna put them. But because I just got stuff out of these Sketchboxes just everywhere. But that being said, really good Sketchbox challenge. I've really enjoyed doing these videos. I'm going to continue doing them, and I hope you guys enjoy them too. And that brings us back to the comment contest. Well, it is a comment. The comment contest, which is basically if you want to get a free Rasa easel sketchpad from me. I've got a new one coming from my guys at Rasa that I'm going to use as a giveaway. All I need you to do is to like and comment in the comments below, and I'll pick the best. I'll pick somebody that wants it really badly, and I'll get that information and send it to you. Alright guys, so on that note, if you like this video, I hope you and I hope you did. If you like this video, please give it the big thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. We love to have you join our little crew. And everybody share this all over the internet. And of course, if you want to get a hold of me, you can get me at DKG72 on Instagram and Twitter. Follow the Facebook fan page, David Gordon 72, and I'll be on TikTok randomly at times, David Gordon 72. And if you really like me and you really like what we're doing on this channel, consider supporting via Patreon. Just look me up, DKG 72 makes comics. Real good Sketchbox challenge, 1 year anniversary. Gotta love it. That note, guys, I'm out. Peace.